Alright everybody, welcome to Code Levelers. Once again we are going to solve the problem of the day. So the today's problem is permutation in string. Okay, let's just go into this. Now in the description this problem is number 567. Okay, it is a medium problem. So given two strings s1 and s2, return true if s2 contains permutation of s1 or false. Okay, so in other words, return true if one s1's permutation is in the substring s2. Okay, now let's consider this example. S1 is equal to AB and S2 is equal to EIBAOO. So what they are trying to convey is, let's say P is ABC, some ABA. So what are okay, let's it be ABA. Now let's create the permutations for that. Permutations for these are ABA and BAA and AAB and another one. So okay, only 3 permutations. Okay, so we need to check this in this one, this S string. So let the S string be ABB something ABA BA. Okay, so now we should be just returning the whether this contains this permutation in this. Okay, ABA or some BAA or AAB. All right, now now let's consider ABA. So first we are going to check ABA here, no ABA. Okay, and once again from this one, no ABA, and then once again, hey, right here ABA is found in here, so we are just going to return true. Okay guys, I am just going to give you another program that you should just solve. Okay, now this problem, wait, this problem is very much similar 438 problem 438, which is very much similar to today's problem. Okay, so I recommend you guys to solve it first before trying to solve this, because it could be easier to come up with a good solution. Okay, so now let's just start the code. Okay, first I forgot to mention the topics we are going to use here. The topics are hash table, 2 pointer, string, sliding window. Okay, so now let's just go through this code. First I'm going to use a map for the character to store it and the frequency value. Okay, I'm going to use frequency value. So okay, I'm going to mention this. Just mention. Okay. Okay. Think I'm getting a hang on this. For frequency. Okay. Now let's use a map name new hash map. Okay, so now I am going to add the frequency for the map for of int I is equal to 0, I less than p dot length function, length function I plus plus, and then why this is coming here, this coming here. Okay, now let's put this value in this map dot p dot p dot no sorry, this is not p, this one I thought it is a pattern, so I started with p because we are given s1 and s2. I changed their names. Okay, so now I am going to use this as Okay, I'll just change this. Why is too confusion? So uh, this one is a string. We are going to search for the pattern. Okay. Oh, sorry. Search for the value. Okay. This is this pattern. Okay. So I'm going to change this as P. This one is yes. Okay. This is a string. S2 is a string. So coming to this topic, I less than p dot length function map dot put of p. We are going to find the frequency for this pattern. Going to add the characters from the free pattern with their respective frequencies. Okay. Map dot get or default of get or default of okay, I making mistakes here. Caret of I. Maybe I'm going to use map dot get or default function to add the frequencies. P dot caret of I comma 0 plus 1. Okay, basic syntax for adding frequencies to the map for that particular characters. Okay, now let's initialize these variables. Start is equal to 0. No, so I didn't mention this. I'm going to use a sliding window protocol, that is a sliding window algorithm. Okay, int end is equal to 0. Both start and end are going to start from the same index. Okay, so now I am going to create another variable to match the length to the map size. Okay, map size, node it. Okay, now okay, I'll just mention this matcher for map size, matcher for map length. Okay, now I'm going to use another variable to store the length of the string which we are going to search for. Okay, now this one is s dot length gth function. Okay, now comes the hard part, which is a sliding window. I'll just tell this sliding window. Okay guys, this is basically an anagram method, like in the anagram search. Okay, so because usually we are going to check permutations in here, anagram search permutation, everything it includes in this while loop. Okay, this one is very important. So we need to create a condition n less than 1. Okay, so now let's create a character r is equal to okay, this character r, we are going to use it to move from left to right. Okay, first we are going to use this from left to right. Okay, so yes dot caret of end. Okay, end. Okay, I did this, and now if now I'm going to use a condition here to check if the character, no, so sorry, the current character is a part of the permutation. Okay, always this. Okay, if the current char is part, okay, current char is part, so I'm saying now let's create a condition where the map dot contains key of right dot right. Okay, right. So now if it contains it, we are going to reduce the map value. Okay, map dot put off map dot put off r comma map dot get default of r. Okay, r -1. We are going to reducing the frequency. Okay, I'll just mention this. Reduce frequency. Reduce the frequency. So I mean leave the semicolon. Okay, no problem here, going perfectly. So now again I am going to use another condition where is character satisfies when the character count matches the so like okay, now if we are given a perfect length of string AA BB AA something like this, so the map contains A comma 2 and B comma 2 and so no A comma 4. Okay, so now after I match first 3 then 2 then 1 no first matching 3 next matching 2, so okay, and again this goes to here, again matching 1 and again matching 0. Now when this becomes 0, okay, when this becomes 0, we are going to increment len which is equal to 1, and then again this is the idea here. Okay, once again this is going to check for A, this becomes 1 and this becomes 0. So okay, now everything is 0 and len also becomes 2 which is equal to the map size. Okay, so now we got the answer, so we are going to return this as true. Okay, that's the idea. Simple, right? Okay, now let's go through the code. If of map dot get of r is equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0 means we are going to increment len. Okay, we just incremented it, so let's go to another condition. Okay, now okay, this condition is satisfied. Now we are going to check if the window length matches the p pattern length. Check for checking the for permutation. Pattern length, window size is equal to p. Okay, we need to check for permutation here, so going to create a condition here where end minus start. Okay, I didn't use bracket, my keyboard is just making it and my hands. P dot length function. Okay, length function. Now if len equal to this map dot size function. Okay, we are going to return this as true. Okay, already I mentioned it, we are going to return this as true. Okay, this is such a easy approach. So, and once again if it returns true, so, and I'm going to create another condition where we are going to shrink the window from the left. Okay. Shrink the window here. So why am I doing this? Because if how should I say, okay, if I didn't get a match, okay, in this case, because I'm going to search for some AA, BB, AA, and some other ABB, BA, blah blah blah, anything. So, okay, now let's create another character left, which is equal to s dot length function. Okay, sorry, s dot caret of left, that is sorry, that is the start in here. We are going to start from the value. Okay, character left is equal to s dot caret of start. Okay, so now I am going to use the same condition here. Map dot contains key of L if it contains, and to check if map dot get of L is equal to 0 means I am going to reduce it. Okay, if I get a part of the pattern, and even if I didn't get the required value, I am going to just shrink it, which we got here, len minus minus. Even if I get len is equal to 1 or something, okay, I'm just going to remove it. That's why I'm going to use this function here. Okay, sorry, condition here. We just reduce the length, and I'm going to reduce the I'm going to increment the value of the map. Okay, L comma map dot get default of sorry, map dot put of, why should I'm going to do that? I just going to increment the value here. Think I did the same in here. Map dot get of r minus L minus 1. So map dot get of, I did made a syntax I think, so I just change this now quickly, plus 1, sorry, I just incremented it here and decremented in the top. Okay, that's the key idea behind this. And so now I am going to increment the start value, this C flow. So I'm going to increment the start value in here, and once again the end value in here. Okay, incremented the start value in here, and this one is there. Okay, now finally I'm going to return false if I didn't find nothing. Okay, I think this hopes works properly. Okay, I got an error. Always this bracket. Okay, this is committed successfully, so let's just submit this. All right, Okay, he will just come up with better solution the next time if I had to solve this problem. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video interests you and you will get a clear idea, um, and you can solve better solution than this. Okay, if you have any problems or queries in solving this problem, you can just use my comment section in the YouTube channel. Okay, until then. Okay, I just forgot to mention this part. Okay, I recommend you to solve this problem first. Okay, where is this? Okay, this problem, because this is very important and it will be helpful to solve this problem, and you will get a key idea behind sliding window and arrays and strings. Okay, so if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video. Until then, goodbye.